Oh, yeah, yeah. Such a red day. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Let's talk about it, y'all. Let's talk about it. The hell is going on? This thing definitely did not barbecue. It mildewed. Looks like looks like the whole market was red today. Y'all make sure y'all leave y'all opinions and stuff in the chat. We watching Sndl after hours. Whole market is crazy. There's a lot going on in the world today. I'm your host, Holy Moly, the one and only. The rest of phony, you dig? And this is Stock Pimp, where we pimp stocks. We try not let these stocks pimp us. Getting that green is a must. And it looks like we getting pimped. Looks like this thing done pimped us today. Might be dealing with a little bit of sideways action for a little bit. Yeah, March 17, I think. Earnings report coming up. Be nice to get some news from here to then. And still pushing downward. See what we could do. Don't let it get you down, y'all. Roll something up, put something in your cup. Tomorrow is Friday. And if you're just tuning in, make sure y'all mash that like button. We're gonna watch these last 2 hours on Sndl and see what's going on. I missed all the action today. I had to work. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. I'm your host, Holy Moly, the one and only. Tuned in to Stock Pimp. We're watching Sndl live after hours. Looks like there's a lot of blood in the street.
With 8.2 million people, it's America's most populous.
Bounce. All man down. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Let's go, let's go. You tuned in to Stock Pimp. I'm your host, Holy Moly, the one and only. We watching Sndl live after hours. Had a lot of blood in the street today in the market. Waiting to see if this thing is going to recover in the next couple of weeks. We got earnings report, I think March 17. See what happens. So make sure you roll something up. Looks like the whole market is crashing. Yeah, yeah. Tuned in to Stock Pimp. Watching Sndl live after hours, y'all. Make sure y'all roll something up, put something in your cup, get your popcorn, let's go. This thing is bouncing off that $1.14 right now. Not cool, not cool, y'all. Let's take a look at this chart. What did this do? As you can see, this thing has been dipping. This thing's been dipping for a while. Shout out to Rich Ruiz, BSSP, Blown Speaker SQUADIO. Yeah, y'all make sure y'all tune in. I'm put the link in the chat. Y'all can click the link. Go check out some of that content. If you like rap battles, Zoom. This is home of the Zoom battles right here. How's it been going, Rick? How's that live stream going? The whole market took a dump today. I was at work. I didn't get to participate. That's what's up, bro. Yeah, man. Keep that thing going, man. I've been telling everybody about it. Yeah. Make sure y'all roll something up, put something in your cup, get your popcorn, let's go. You're tuned in to Stock Pimp, where we pimp stocks. We try not let these stocks pimp us. Getting that green is a must, you dig? I'm your host, Holy Moly, the one and only, the rest are phony. Yeah, everything's down, man. Don't panic, sell, hold tight. When the tide comes in, it raises all the boats. You know what I'm saying? Everything but Bitcoin. Yep. Bitcoin and Tesla were going kind of tit for tat for a little bit. Like when Tesla was down, Bitcoin was up. When Bitcoin was down, Tesla was up. You know what I'm saying? Now they actually kind of moving together. Well, we waiting to see if this thing gonna pop up. You looking at a 2-minute chart with a 20 moving average and a 200 moving average. And we watching Sndl after hours. Shout out to Bram Stoker on the instrumentals. Shout out to Nigel. Just got me just brought me a pool stick, man. I appreciate that, man. Thank you. Shout out to everybody on Twitter and everybody on Stock Twits. Appreciate all the love y'all been showing. I know it's a fucked up week. Pardon my French. But we gonna get back. Everything is red, so don't panic sell, y'all. Yeah. Shout out to the Dirty Thirds. Gimme Mo on Stock Twitch says, do not look until March 15 as a challenge. Some of y'all need this challenge. Some of y'all just don't need to look. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Blown Speaker SQUADIO. Hey, Rick, if you still watching, put the link in the chat, bro. Put the BSSP link in the chat. Commander Cox says, at this point, I'd give my right nut to stop the bleeding. Wow. I don't know if I'd go that far, but I feel you. These are good buy opportunities, y'all. You buy when there's blood in the street. You buy the fear, you sell the greed. Let's go, let's go. Mash that like button, y'all. Let's get these likes up. Hit that subscribe if you're feeling the vibe. We watching Sndl live after hours. Let's go, let's go. This thing just want to keep going down. Shout out to everybody on Stock Twitch. Shout out to everybody on Twitter. Appreciate all the love. We got blood in the streets, y'all. How long will the bleeding go? If you take a look at the chart, this thing has just been steady on the steady decline. But you tuned in to Stock Pimp. I'm your host, Holy Moly. We watching Sndl live after hours. It's a 2-minute chart with a 20 moving average and a 200 moving average. In case you're wondering. Make sure y'all smash that like button. Hit that subscribe if you're feeling the vibe. You can hit the thumbs down if you a clown. The whole market's red, y'all. No need to panic. When the tide comes in, it raises all the boats. And as you can see, the tide is very low right now. Let's go, let's go. Roll something up, put something in your cup, get your popcorn, and let's go. What y'all think? How long is this bleeding gonna go? We got earnings coming up. I feel like we need some more catalysts before then. Tomorrow is Friday though. We'll see what happens. We might get some more bleeding. Eventually it'll stop. Looks like we hit something hard right here at 108. And we bounced back. Seems like it's getting pushed back down. we struggling a little bit right now to get this thing to go up, you know what I mean? But shout out to all the diamond hands out there, all my longs, everybody that's been holding strong, watching this thing just move. Shout outs to y'all, man. Our time will come. I'm your host, Holy Moly, the one and only. This is Stock Pimp, where we pimp stocks. We try not to let these stocks pimp us. But this week and last week, man, looks like we've been getting pimped, y'all. Shout out to Bram Stoker on the instrumentals. Shout out to BSSP, Blown Speaker SQUADIO, doing their thing. Appreciate all the love. Shout out to everybody on Stock Twits, everybody on Twitter. Appreciate all the love. Yeah, we just gonna watch this thing, man. It's Sndl after hours. Time to roll something up to numb the pain. Let's go, let's go. Mash that like button, y'all. Let's get these likes up. Here we go. Shout out to all my family out there in Virginia. Shout out to Bad News. Monday, it started off like this week was gonna go good. Because last week we had a horrible week. But it just keeps getting worse. But we holding strong. Nobody said it was gonna be easy. Let's go, let's go. Roll something up, put something in your cup, get your popcorn. Let's go. Let's go. Bounce, baby. Let's get back. We're gonna trade sideways. Tomorrow is Friday. We've been slowly getting less and less volume every day. We was averaging about 1 billion volume every day. That lasted for a little bit. Come on, y'all. Slap that ass. Bounce off that 20. Let's go. Let's go, y'all. Roll something up, put something in your cup. Get your popcorn, let's go. Appreciate all the love on Twitter and on Stock Twits. Thank you for sharing, resharing, and all the likes and the new follows. Appreciate all that. Thank you, y'all. Shout out to Powerhouse Jimbiville. Appreciate the like. Eddie Mora, thank you for the like. Got Luck 777, thank you for the like. Flock Boy, appreciate the like. And I appreciate everybody who's still holding. We make the world go round. The whole market's red, y'all. Don't panic. It's only natural. When the tide comes in, it raises all the boats. Find something else to do. Let's go, let's go. If you're just tuning in, mash that like button. Hit that subscribe if you're feeling the vibe. We watching Sndl Live after hours. I'm your host, Holy Moly, the one and only. And this is Stock Pimp, where we pimp stocks. We try not to let these stocks pimp us. Getting that green is a must. You dig? So roll something up, put something in your cup, get your popcorn, and let's go. We got a 2-minute chart, 20 moving average, and a 200 moving average. We're gonna see if this thing gonna bounce up a little bit. We got about an hour and 17 minutes left before after hours closes. And if we zoom out, we could take a look. You can see this thing has just been slowly on a decline. A little bit of consolidation. A little bit of consolidating right here in the after hours. This is normal. This has been the norm for this week. We need some good news. We got the earnings coming up mid-March. We need something in between time to get this thing going again. But I have no fear. I'm at a 52-cent average. Took my profits when it spiked, and now I'm just holding about 2,800, almost 3,000 shares, and I'm just holding long now. Ain't nothing wrong with taking a little bit of profit, but for now I'm just chilling. If it dropped back down, I hope, since we already here, we might as well keep going down so I can fill up the boat again, you know. But I really ain't gonna be averaging up, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to average up right now. I'm cool with just waiting. And in the meantime, we just gonna watch. It's a good company, y'all. The whole market is down right now. No need to frown. Take the dog for a walk. Go eat dinner. Don't pay it too much mind, you know what I'm saying? And I would tell you to go mess with some other stocks while this one is cooking, but the whole market's red. I'm down on a lot of the stocks that I have. But I also did my research and I put my money, and I wait for times like this so I can buy and slowly build up a better position, you know? Only if you believe in the company. If not, let's go, let's go. Bounce. Let's get out of here. Shout out to Bram Stoker on the instrumentals. I'm your host, Holy Moly. You tuned in to Sndl Growers. We watching this after hours chart, 2-minute chart to be exact, with a 20 moving average and a 200 moving average. So make sure y'all mash that like button. Hit that subscribe if you feeling the vibe. Helps keep the channel alive, you dig? Two, three, four. Let's go, let's go. This thing look like it's not going barbecue. We gonna mildew. All this barcode-ish, barcode stuff. Let's go, let's go. There we go. Steady selling. I'm like, who is selling right now? Like, for real. Let's go, let's go. Buy them up, y'all. Buy them up. Let's get them. They just shaking the tree, that's all. Shaking all the loose leaves off of there. All the scary hands, you know what I'm saying? All the people that are terrified right now. There's always a dip before the rip. You ever seen a stock hop and skip? I have. That's when something really crazy about to happen. Appreciate all the love on Stock Twits. Thank you, y'all. Appreciate all the likes and the shares. Let's go, let's go. Tuned in to Stock Pimp. Well, we pimp these stocks. We try not to let these stocks pimp us. Getting that green is a must. I'm your host, Holy Moly. We watching Sndl live after hours. And it's Thursday, y'all. Tomorrow's Friday. Maybe we setting up nice for something tomorrow, you know? Somebody got to be optimistic. I like how the Bears always think we care. Or how the Bears always care and think that we care, that they care. That's when I buy, y'all. When I see the Bears coming in trying to scare everybody, it's time to buy. You ask why? I'd say to make them cry. If you ask me, when this thing does take off, them Bears gonna be in hibernation. It's gonna be Operation Hibernation. And we won't see them for a little bit. Until they find another opportunity to try to scare. But to each his own, you know. Everybody got their own way and their own game. You know what I'm saying? The name of the game is to make money. But really it isn't. The name of the game is not to lose money. Because it ain't nothing funny when you're losing money. Show me how well you don't lose, and I'll tell you how good of a trader you are. I don't care how much money you made or none of that. Show me how well you lose. Because you only lose if you sell. And if you sell, the charts will tell. Sometimes you sell because you see something better. And that little bit of loss that you taking at that time ain't nothing. So you're like, you see an opportunity somewhere else. There's nothing wrong with that. You know what I'm saying? But do that with a little bit of stocks. Don't do that with all your stocks. You know what I'm saying? Have your little play stocks. And keep some longs, some mids. You know what I'm saying? Keep your eye on them. Keep doing research on companies. Don't just jump in a gamble because you heard somebody say something. Shout out to Sean Moore. Keep up the good shit, bro. Hey, thank you. Salute. Appreciate that. I'm trying, you know what I'm saying? Smash that like button for me. Let's get these likes up, y'all. Hit that subscribe if you're feeling the vibe. Roll something up, put something in your cup. Get your popcorn and let's go. We watching Sndl live after hours, y'all. I'm your host, Holy Moly, the one and only, the rest of phony, you dig? And it's blood in the street. Buy the fear, y'all, buy the fear. Market has never been this low. Pick a couple winners and hold tight. Don't lose sight. Keep your eye on the prize. Know what you own. We steady bouncing off that 114. Bouncing off that 20. Needs to be more like a trampoline. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Shout out to Elliot Finch down there in VA. Oh, we retesting that 113. We got some support there though. Let's see how long that holds. They pushing it. The Bears are pushing it down. Who sells at 114, y'all? Who sells at 114? I don't understand it. There's a lot of uncertainty in the market these last 2 weeks. I think with all those crazy pump and dumps, I think a lot of people done got mixed up. Some people done jumped out of positions they shouldn't have jumped out of and jumped into positions they shouldn't have jumped into, and vice versa. Let's go. We got support there at the 114. We'll go ahead and draw a line right there. And we gonna see if this thing gonna bounce off my little trampoline I made. Are we gonna barbecue or mildew? Ain't no telling what it will do. Yo, what up? Yeah, I'm good. I'm streaming live right now on these stocks and shit. I'm gonna send. That's gonna be crazy, bro. When is that dropping? Oh, that's crazy. That would be dope, man. That's gonna be nuts. I got you, man. You should just download the app and watch my stream, and I'll help you with it. Yeah. Yeah. I got you. No doubt. All right. Well, and we still holding at the 113. Let's see if we bounce off this trampoline. Shout out to my boy Ron out there in New Orleans. Here we go. Retesting that 113. What does it all mean? Is it gonna hold? Let's go, let's go. Mash that like button, y'all. Hit that subscribe if you feeling the vibe. We watching Sndl live after hours. We gonna see if this thing is gonna break this 113. Let's hope not. But if it does, I will take a shot. It's just the kind of mood I'm in right now. Roll something up, put something in your cup, get your popcorn, and let's go. Blood in the streets, y'all. All week and last week. Waiting to see when we gonna pick up the pieces. It's a good company. No stress. The whole market is red, y'all. Shout out to Bram Stoker on the instrumentals. Shout out to BSSP, Blown Speaker SQUADIO. Y'all can go check them out on YouTube. They do a live battle rap. Not like two people battling, rapping to each other, but like two different music, you know what I'm saying? Like you would pick one artist, you could say, oh, I'll take J. Cole, and somebody else can be like, oh, okay, well, I'll take Kendrick Lamar, and then you would battle with their music. You see what I'm saying? And it's like 15 rounds, sometimes 20 rounds, but you pick 15 of their best songs and you go head to head with the other person. They play their song for 1 minute and 30 seconds, and then the other person plays a song for 1 minute and 30 seconds. And then we have a panel of judges that will judge who won that round. It's pretty cool. It's called Blown Speaker SQUADIO. I'll put the link in the chat so y'all can check it out. Oh, and we have dropped past support. Are we going back down? I don't see no other support. Are we going to touch that 108? Because that wouldn't be great. But if you still holding, I congratulate. Because I'm still holding. I'm not folding. I'm going to watch Sndl all year. Y'all welcome to watch with me. I will be covering Sndl this whole year. Guess how much knowledge I'm going to have on Sndl by the end of the year. My vision would be clear. And if I see something, I'm gonna squeeze something. Our time is coming though. They saying Doge might go to $1. Shout out to Ron. Says, gotta help me set up a YouTube for a Q&A. I got you. Let's go, let's go. Bouncing off that 112, y'all. I can remove my line now because this thing done broke. And I said if it broke, I would take a shot. Don't threaten me with a good time. I'll be right back. All right. Appreciate the likes, y'all. Thank you. All right. Let me do this official. Hold on. Let me do this the official way. I said if it dropped past that support, that I would take a shot. And I kind of knew it was going to do that anyway. Just to be honest. But I'm a man of my word, so cheers to y'all. Salute to everybody on Stock Twitch. You know what I'm saying? Hang in there. You know what I'm saying? We're going to get there. You know what I mean? Cheers to y'all. Salute. Let's go. Smash that like button, y'all. Let's get these likes up. Hit that subscribe if you're feeling the vibe. I'm your host, Holy Moly, the one and only. And you're tuned in to Stock Pimp. Well, we pimp stocks. We try not let these stocks pimp us. Getting that money is a must, you dig? So make sure y'all roll something up, put something in your cup, and let's go. Testing at 112. Testing at 112. What's tomorrow gonna be like? Still testing at 112. Let's go, let's go. Shout out to everybody on Stock Twits, especially all my diamond hands, because y'all understand. Uh-oh. Let's go, let's go. Let's go, y'all. Let's go, let's go. Uh-oh. We broke that 112, y'all. That thing is broke. Shout out to Louis, poor little rich kid, for the hat. I'm gonna put the link in the chat so y'all can go check out some of his merch if you're interested. Hold on, just responding to everybody on Twitter right now. Hitting at 111. That's nowhere near heaven. We in hell, but only time will tell. Let's snap back. Let's take a little zoom out. If you could see, this thing has been, for the last 2 weeks, man, we've been struggling. We hit a high at 144 the other day, and we've been on this nice little 45-degree slope right here. I like these slopes, y'all. It's normally something big at the end of that, you know what I mean? When? I don't know. But we still looking like we might even go lower, you know what I'm saying? Unless this is the floor and we hit something hard at the 108. But we need to get back. We need to get back. For the people at the top that bought all the way at the top like my dad did, you know? Can't be chasing the stock. You got to get that stock some time, you know what I'm saying? Like, you can't just... We get excited when it goes up. We should be getting scared when the stock goes up. You know what I mean? That's when you get scared. Most people get scared when the stock goes down. No, if you did your research and you know what you're buying, then you should be excited that it's going down, because you can pick up shares and you can set yourself in a better position. You should be snacking on the way down. You should always have some reserve to where you can snack on a stock on the way down and pick up some shares. Create a better position for yourself, so when then it does pop, you decide whether you want to take profit then or not, you know. But if you believe in a stock long term, just snack along the way, as long as it keeps going below your average. You know what I'm saying? Carlos Medina says, gotta love them snacks. Shout out to Kiko out there in Florida, man. Love you, bro. That's right. You gotta love them snacks. You gotta be able to put yourself in a position, better position every time. That way, it doesn't take much to put you in the green. But if you sitting in the green, then chill. What's the rush? Unless you was just trying to scalp or trying to, you know, take a little profit real quick. If you day trading, that's something else. You know what I'm saying? I do midterm, you know what I'm saying? And then I got other stocks that I'll jump in and out of, and I'll play with those all day, you know, and every day. But midterm, long term, you should be snacking along the way. I use my little stocks to generate money to put into these long-term stocks when they drop. You see what I'm saying? No doubt. You tuned in to Stock Pimp, where we pimp these stocks. We try not let these stocks pimp us. Getting that green is a must, you dig? I'm your host, Holy Moly, the one and only, the rest are phony. Roll something up, put something in your cup, get your popcorn, and let's go. Tuned in to Sndl Live after hours. Shout out to BSSP, Blown Speaker SQUADIO. I told y'all about that earlier. We had Rick in here. He is the host with the most. Y'all make sure y'all go check him out. Shout out to everybody on Twitter and everybody on Stock Twits. I appreciate all the love and all the likes. You know what I'm saying? Like, for real. Thank you. Let's go, let's go. Shout out to Frank. What's up, Papa? Frank out there in California. Were you in San Jose? No doubt. Appreciate the love. Salute to you. Let's go. Still testing at 111. Looks like it wants to keep going, y'all. Is this thing going barbecue or mildew? Oh, shout out to Morgan Hill. He's in Morgan Hill. All right. Shout out to Morgan Hill. Shout out to Frank Garcia, my brother. So we did test that 111 over here before it caved in and dropped all the way to 108. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a line there for y'all. Make it easier for y'all to see. Support. Let's go, let's go. Mash that like button. Hit that subscribe if you're feeling the vibe. Helps keep the channel alive, you dig? Shout out to Bram Stoker on the instrumentals. I'm I'm gonna put the link in the chat so y'all can go check out his music. And we almost got 30 minutes left before after hours closes. Let's go. I put Bram Stoker Instrumentals link in the chat. Y'all can click on the link, go check out some of his music if y'all like it. But that's all I'm rocking to. This is Stock Pimp, where we pimp these stocks. We try not let these stocks pimp us. Getting that green is a must. And you need to roll something up, put something in your cup, get your popcorn, and let's go. Still testing at 111, y'all. Is it gonna barbecue or mildew? Ain't no telling what it will do. Steady bouncing off that 112. 111. We've been consolidating for like 2 weeks now, in my opinion. Let's take a look at a larger chart. Let's look at the larger picture. Let's look at the 5-day chart. Yeah, we hit a high of 171 up here. And we've been on a down spiral the whole time. Hold on, let's zoom out a little more because it looks like I had support down here over here at the 105. So there's support there at the 105. Let's see if the lowest we go is 108 for now. Hold on. Let me take a look. Let me dig further. No, that's not support. The 108 is support over here. So that 108, it might not be. Yeah, that's not bad right there. Yeah. That's where all my diamond hands are. Let's see if this is as low as it goes. 108. Hey Kiko, if you still tuned in, can you put a link in the chat of BSSP, Blown Speaker SQUADIO? Let's go, let's go. Mash that like button, y'all. Let's get these likes up. We got blood in the streets, but it's all right. It's what goes up must come down. The lower it goes, the more money you can make if you buy low. Y'all seen what this stock can do. And if you don't know what this stock can do, then you shouldn't have invested. Shouldn't be just gambling like that sometimes, you know? Yeah, Frank, man, get you some, man. Get you some, bro. You know what I'm saying? That's what I do all day. I've been doing this for about 6 years, ever since I moved to Texas. My pops put me on, and I dug deep, you know what I'm saying? It's fun, bro. You learn a lot, man. A lot about what goes on in the world affects everything, especially this. You can tell that we're going through something because of the way the market looks. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, mash that like button, y'all. Hit that subscribe if you feeling the vibe. Hit the thumbs down if you a clown. Roll something up, put something in your cup, get your popcorn, and let's go. If you're just tuning in, you're looking at a 2-minute chart. This blue line right here is a 20 moving average, and the red line is a 200 moving average. And this red line down here, I just put there just to show support, where it's supporting over here on this side. Yeah, man. Shout out to Frank, man. Let me go make another drink real quick. I'll be right back. I gotta do a shot with my boy. Let's go. You tuned in to Stock Pimp, where we pimp these stocks. We try not to let these stocks pimp us. Getting that green is a must. I'm your host, Holy Moly, the one and only. The rest are phony, you dig? You watching Sndl Growers live after hours. Okay, we got 27 minutes left before after hours closes. Then it'd be left up to the pre-market army to put it all into perspective for us. So I'm gonna do a shot. Frank, you still there, Frank? Shout out to Frank and Callie. Good friend. All right, Frank, if you still there, I'm gonna do this shot. This is to you, brother. Salute. Thank you. Appreciate the like, the subscribe. Okay. What we gonna do? Barbecue or mildew? Tomorrow's Friday, y'all. What's this thing gonna do? Oh, you go on the video on YouTube and hit the button. And the subscribe is right under there. If you're looking at the video as a whole, you know what I'm saying? It's right at the bottom. Shout out to Bram Stoker on the instrumentals. He's not playing with these beats, y'all. Oh, we broke. We seem to break in that 111. Are we going back down to 108? Oh, man, damn. Let's go, let's go. Cheers to you, brother. Let's go. We hitting that 111, y'all. We seem to breathe. We broke support at the top of 111. Let's see if we can come back. Looks like it wants to keep going down. A lot of panic selling going on. I wouldn't be surprised if this thing keeps going down because all the weak hands, we shaking them out. We shaking them out. Those of us who've done research on this company, we know this company is debt free. The company has 600 million cash in hand, partnered up with 3 different people right now. Got real pretty to catch these dates. I don't know. Something's going on. I'm thinking a merger coming on. Only time you get pretty like that is when you want to buy something or you want to get bought. You know what I'm saying? Let's go. Mash that like button, y'all. Let's get these likes up. It really does help out the stream. Hit that subscribe if you're feeling the vibe. It helps keep the channel alive. We hitting down here at the 110. Let's go, let's go. Mash that like button. We sitting at the 110. Are we going to touch 108 again? It's blood in the streets, y'all. Let's go, let's go. 22 minutes left before after hours closes, y'all. It's only Thursday. Tomorrow's Friday. We're going to see what Friday bring. Shout out to all my diamond hands holding Sndl growers long term. See, you understand. And you could probably catch the stream at pre-market. You know what I'm saying? I'm probably going to stream live pre-market. Catch some of that early action. Shout out to Nigel Thomas. Appreciate all the love on StockTwits and on Twitter. Y'all been showing me tremendous amount of love since I started my stream, and I really do appreciate that. Lets me know that I'm heading in the right direction, you feel me? And we just watching Sndl live after hours. We got 20 minutes left before after hour closes. I'm your host, Holy Moly, the one and only. And this is Stock Pimp, where we pimp stocks. We try not let these stocks pimp us. Getting that green is a must, you dig? So make sure you hit that like button. Hit that subscribe if you're feeling the vibe. Helps keep the channel alive, you dig? Yeah, man. Y'all tune in, man. Catch this last bit. This last 19 minutes. We've been on a downward spiral. What does it all mean? A lot of us think our job when we get into the market is to make green, to make money. I understand we all want to make money, but our real job is not to lose money. Master the art of not losing money, and you will make money. That will come. You don't have to chase that. We hit that 108 again, y'all. Oh, man, damn. We hit that 108 again, and we bounce right back up. Let's see what happens. Are we going to hold that? I don't know. Maybe we go lower. Maybe we just, whoa, it's testing it again. That's going to make so many people panic sell. And here they come. I see the orders coming in now. Where the buyers at? Where my bulls at? Let's go. Roll something up, put something in your cup, and let's go. Don't pay attention too much to this. You know what I'm saying? There's blood in the street all over the market today. And for real, for the last 2 weeks, you can see it coming. take this as buying a buying opportunity. You know what I'm saying? Find the sweet spot in that stock that you're looking at. Find out where you want to buy, because this would be the time, because the market ain't gonna stay red forever. We got a lot of good news coming, so if you smart, you be buying them up. But I'm not a financial advisor. This is just my opinion. This is what I do. I can only show you what I do with my money. You know what I'm saying? Tested that 108 again. Is that 108 our friend or not? Because if it dropped past that 108, y'all, I will take another shot. We got 16 minutes left before after hours is done. And I'm just trying to have fun. Why so serious? It's only money. There we go. Bounce. Bounce. I see that 20 separating from that 200. I look at this as the baby. And this is the mama up here in the red. The baby can get away from the mama, but can't stay away from the mama. And then you got the stock that will get away from the 20, but can't stay away from the 20. So at some point, this has to snap back. Let's see what happens. Shout out to everybody on Stock Twits. Once again, I appreciate the love. I keep getting all this love from everybody on there, and I do appreciate that. Whoa. Shout out to How About This One. Appreciate the follow, bro. Thank you. Check out some of these Bram Stoker instrumentals, y'all. Okay, we still bouncing. We got a little bit of buys coming in. Somebody know what's up. Somebody knows what's up. Let's go. Let's get back, y'all. We got 12 minutes before that after hour thing closes. Tuned in to Stock Pimp. Oh, oh. Here we go. Here we go. Uh-oh. Still pushing down. Hey. Let's go. Got that Pablo Escobar flow. Let's go. There's people setting up for tomorrow. I feel like they was waiting to see how low this thing was gonna go. They seen it bounce off that 108, and they was like, that's great. That's what I wanted to see. So they buying. Let's see what's going to happen. We got 11 minutes before that after hours thing is done. Yo, thank you, Frank. Appreciate that, brother. Oh, I see that 20 moving far away from that mama. We're going to see if that 20 going to snap back or if that thing just going to relax. More buys, more buys. We getting a little bit of volume, more volume than we've had in this whole after hours. We're starting to see that now. We got 10 minutes left. That's why. Those are smart buys right there. Nine minutes left, y'all. Nine minutes left. And we're going to see if this thing going to barbecue or mildew. Ain't no telling what it will do. We seem to have bounced off of that 108. We see a little bit of buys coming in. Some people setting up nice positions for tomorrow pre-market. Might be scalping. Might take a little off top when it pop right there. But we might just keep going down. We need more volume. 8 minutes left. Yeah, Frank, I'm proud of you too, brother, for making that move. It's not easy to do. I know, because I had to do it when I came here. No doubt, man. Stay in touch. Salute. Cheers. Shout out to Frank Garcia. See, Frank, now you know how to jump up here and we can chat all day, brother. Let's go, let's go. Mash that like, hit that subscribe if you're feeling the vibe. We got 7 minutes left before this after hours thing ends. I'm your host, Holy Moly, the one and only. You tuned in to Stock Pimp. We pimp these stocks. We try not to let these stocks pimp us. Getting that green is a must. Yep, we getting there. 6 minutes left. Oh, touching that, retesting that 108. That's not great. Game show is over. This is March Madness though, y'all. We're gonna see if this thing in March does what it's supposed to do. Bounce, let's go, let's get out of there. Okay. Retesting at 108 again. Is that 108 our friend? I think not if it drops. Retesting at 108 again. Looking like it wants to drop more. Salute, Frank. Have a good night, Papa. Let's go. Let's get out of this zone. Last minute sell-offs. We got 4 minutes left, y'all. Retesting that 108. We got a little bit of support there. But all the support's just been getting ate up. Let's see if this thing gonna hold right here. A lot of people panic. Let's go, let's go. We got 3 minutes left before after hours closes. Let's go, 2 minutes. I ain't gonna lie, I missed the whole day today. I had to work. So I tried not to look at my phone. So when I finally did look at my phone, I was like, oh man, damn. Let's go, still bouncing off that 108. Looks like it wants to keep pushing down. Pre-market, hopefully we stay above $1. Under $1 make a lot of us holler. But it's all good. Know what you own and leave it alone. 1 minute left before this thing ends, and it looks like we pushing. Hopefully we can hold that 108 or maybe a little higher. That'd be great. Running out of time. Less than a minute left. And we gonna end this stream. I'm your host, Holy Moly, the one and only. Tuned in to Stock Pimp. Well, we pimp stocks. We try not to let these stocks pimp us. Getting that green is a must. So make sure you roll something up, put something in your cup. Try to have a good night. And that's it. And we out, y'all.